Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com. Hope everybody's doing really well. Very blessed. Hey, today I'm going to talk about the Mosmatic hose swivel, but high flow. So the hole is a little bit bigger, creates more flow. I'm going to talk about that coming up next. All right, real quick before I get into the video, don't forget the Difference Makers Conference is coming up February 6th and 7th, and then the following day is my monthly hands-on training, so if you want to make a weekend of it, you can absolutely do that. Hey, this is going to be a conference like really none other is put on. This is all about the business end of your business. We're going to be talking about commercial properties. Ray Burke will talk about commercial properties, how to work with commercial property managers. He's going to be talking about government contracts. He's also bringing his drone, so we'll go outside the hotel and give a little demonstration on that. And then Patrick Clark's talking about high-end residential sales and also how you build a team. So even if you're just a solo operator right now, your hopes and your goals should be to build a team so you can get off the truck. Patrick Clark is going to talk about that. We have Kelsey coming in talking about money matters, profit and loss statements, balance sheets. We're going to actually teach you how to learn how to price the job so you don't ever have to ask anybody else, what should I charge? We want you to learn how to price based on your business, not somebody else's business that could be going out of business. So Jeffrey Blackman also will be here. As always, he'll be talking about building different revenue streams and residual income. He'll talk about how you cast a vision for your company and for your business, as well as why you should never give up. And then I'll be talking about, mind mapping your business, creating quotes, how to build quotes, how to set customers' expectations, all kinds of things like that. Mitch Beckman will start it off with his talk is on that's awesome, now what? So yeah, you want to be here for this February 6th and 7th right here in Humboldt, Texas. You can go to PressureWashingSchool.com/events, get signed up. We had an early sign up and I'm going to extend it a little bit past the January 15th date, but probably by February 1st, price will go up. We'll see. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com, or call or text me, 281-883-3630. And now to the swivel stuff. Mosmatic hose, Mosmatic high flow swivel. Okay, I'm too used to saying Mosmatic hose swivel. All right, next. Hey guys, a lot of you guys are familiar with the ball valve setup. We sell them where you can buy them either DIY, where you just Teflon tape, put all the fittings, or you pay a little bit more if you want to buy it ready to use, and we put them together. So it comes with your plug-in, comes with your coupler, comes with your swivel. But this swivel is a high flow Mosmatic 3/8 swivel, hose swivel. And so basically what we have here is the hole on the end. As the water passes through, you can see it's quite a bit bigger on this one. That's the high flow. This is the normal one that we've always carried. So if you have an existing ball valve setup like this, when it comes time to replace your swivel, or if you want to do it anytime, you can buy just this swivel and just replace your two fittings here, and you've got a high flow swivel which will allow more water to go through. So that will create you some faster rinsing time, application time if you're a downstreamer most of the time like I am. So we've had a few requests for these and have ordered them, special for guys that wanted them. So I just decided to start carrying them in the store. So you can use these, like I said, in the ball valve setup, or if you're just a guy that does not use a ball valve setup and you want to just put it directly onto your hose, then you can do that. Then just get your fitting. How come when I'm on camera I can never get stuff on, but when I'm not, there we go. So then just put your fitting on that's going to connect to your gun or whatever. So I always use a ball valve setup, and then I can just, you know, turn this off, water shuts off, I can change a gun, I can change to a surface cleaner or whatever I need to do, turn that back without having to go and turn my machine off. So great addition, and I've been using it for a little bit, love it. And yeah, so check that out. Mosmatic hose swivel, no, it's Mosmatic high flow swivel. And then right underneath where you order, if you need the fittings and the ball valve, you can just click the boxes for those items, and you can order those if you want to buy, you know, the whole setup. But if you already have one of these in use, you can easily just order the swivel only, and then, you know, take this out and just put the new one back in, and then put your fitting back on. Of course, I have mine with the plug pointing out. I always line it up with the ball valve top where the long end is pointing, so that's the direction of the flow of my water, because I'm always plug out. But if you're coupler out, then you would just switch these two fittings here. So hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions about that, hey, leave me a comment down below, and let me know. All right, guys, so you can see this is with the regular 3/8 ball valve setup that we have on the site. The amount of water flow coming out. Shut it down a little bit. So if y'all can hear. I don't know how this is going to look on video. I can tell a difference. I've been using the high flow one. Okay guys, so this is with the swivel, high flow swivel. So you get a little bit more volume. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but definitely a little discernible as far as using it. Open flow. So not sure if you can tell really well, like I said before, but it is a little bit more flow. Set up on it. So this is with the sharpshooter 6 gallon per minute and the 3/8 swivel on the ball valve setup. So that'll give you an idea. Distance, flow. And now we'll go back and we'll try the high flow swivel. So give me just a minute. All right, there you go with the sharpshooter 6 gallon per minute tip with the high flow swivel. So again, hope y'all can tell the difference. There is a little bit of difference. It's not really, I don't know if it's going to show up on video, but I can definitely tell, like I said before, when I'm spraying, there is a little bit more volume coming through. It's more so when you use an open ball valve versus nozzles or whatever. So, but I just hope this gives you guys an idea. Mosmatic high flow swivel. Again, you know, it's just something to consider. If you already have a 3/8, not, you know, a necessity to change it, but at some point in time you will have to, so you just might consider one of the high flow ones. They're not any heavier or bulkier or anything like that. All right, guys, hope this has been helpful for you. Again, I got to keep my hands off the table. I think it keeps shaking the camera. Again, don't forget that Difference Makers Conference. I promise you, for what you're paying to attend this, you will make that up probably the first week you get back home and get going again in your business. So this is one of my passions now. I've been teaching for 12 years, teaching guys how to clean properties, and I'm going to continue doing that always. But my passion now is teaching guys also from the business end of the business, the money end, how to get commercial properties, how to get high-end, how to make money. So get signed up for that, pressurewashingschool.com/events. And don't forget, if you need to, you can stay till that Saturday, February 8th, is the February hands-on training that I do every month and have been for a long, long time. So let me know if I can help you in any way. Any questions about our store products, then email us at info@dougruckerstore.com or call or text 281-612-1223. Y'all have a very, very blessed day. Yeah, so the Difference Makers Conference, it's basically just a thing that I wanted to start doing a couple of years ago, 3 or 4 years ago maybe, about teaching the business side of the business, whether it's pressure washing, a pest control business, electrical, plumbing, whatever, small businesses, just to help guys understand and learn the business side of their business, which can involve money matters, understanding P&L statements, balance sheets, setting budgets, learning how to price your services that you offer, and also guys that want to learn how to get commercial properties, want to learn how to create residual, different revenue streams, things of that nature. So it's primarily always been Jeffrey Blackman and myself, but this time we've added Ray Burke out of Tallahassee. He also he does a lot of commercial work, also does drone work. He's going to bring his drone. He'll do actual demonstration of that. And then also Pat Clark out of Duncan, North Carolina, who's been in the industry many years. Both Ray and Pat have been in the industry for well over 10 years. So I always invite them about every 2 to 3 years to come in and do something with us. So Jeff and I invited them to come out and also talk. So that's what it's about. It's about showing you guys some of the things that have been the difference makers in our business and how we grew our businesses and all of that. So we'll cover working with property managers. We'll cover working with HOAs, high-end residential sales. Pat's going to do something on how you build a team so that if your company gets to that level or is at that level and you need to add people on, you can do that. So check it out at pressurewashingschool.com/events. It's February 6th and 7th right here in the Houston, Texas area. It'll be at the Country Inn and Suites. We have a meeting room there as well as a discounted rate on hotel rooms so that you can fly in. The airport's only 10 minutes away. They got a shuttle. They'll come pick you up. So we've made everything as easy as possible, and we're just excited to share some things that have been difference makers, not only in our lives, but also in our businesses. So I certainly hope that you can make it. If you have any questions about it, feel free to email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com, or you can call or text 281-883-3630, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Difference Makers Business Conference, February 6th and 7th. Right now, there's an early sign-up discount fee if you want to get signed up before January 15th. All right? Thank y'all, and y'all have a very, very blessed day.